Throughout your life, you've heard that cracking your knuckles might lead to arthritis. But what's really happening in your joints? Within your joints lies a special lubricant known as synovial fluid. When you stretch your fingers, the pressure drops, leading to the formation of tiny nitrogen gas bubbles that burst. One dedicated doctor cracked the knuckles of his left hand for 60 years, leaving his right untouched. The result? No arthritis in either hand. However, there's a flip side. Regular cracking can result in swollen hands and a notable decrease in grip strength. So, while you're not harming your joints, you might be weakening the power of your handshake. Subscribe for more insights.